The secret power of ginger, nature's ultimate beauty elixir. Imagine a world where the secret to youthful, radiant skin lies not in the needle of a syringe but in the humble root of a plant. Welcome to the world of ginger, nature's ultimate beauty elixir. So keep watching to get your hands on ginger's anti-aging secret recipe. The ancient wonder. For centuries, ginger has been celebrated in traditional medicine for its myriad health benefits. But did you know that this fiery root also holds the key to ageless beauty? Unlike Botox, which temporarily paralyzes muscles to smooth out wrinkles, ginger works from within, nourishing your skin and promoting natural regeneration. The science behind the magic. Ginger is packed with antioxidants, which are crucial in combating the free radicals that cause skin aging. These antioxidants help to protect your skin from environmental damage, reduce inflammation, and promote a healthy, glowing complexion. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger also help to soothe irritated skin, making it perfect for those with sensitive skin types. A natural collagen booster. One of the most remarkable benefits of ginger is its ability to boost collagen production. Collagen is the protein responsible for keeping your skin firm and elastic. As we age, our collagen production decreases, leading to sagging and wrinkles. Ginger helps to stimulate collagen synthesis, ensuring that your skin remains plump and youthful. Easy to incorporate. Incorporating ginger into your beauty routine is easier than you might think. You can start your day with a refreshing ginger tea, add freshly grated ginger to your smoothies, or even create a DIY ginger face mask. The possibilities are endless, and the results are nothing short of miraculous. Ginger face mask recipe. Ready to harness the power of ginger for your skin? Here's a simple recipe for a DIY ginger face mask that will leave your skin feeling rejuvenated and glowing. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt. Instructions: 1. Grate the ginger. Start by grating fresh ginger until you have about a tablespoon. 2. Mix ingredients. In a small bowl, combine the grated ginger, honey, and yogurt. Mix well until you have a smooth paste. 3. Apply the mask. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. 4. Relax and wait. Let the mask sit for about 15-20 minutes. You might feel a slight tingling sensation as the ginger works its magic. 5. Rinse off. Rinse your face with lukewarm water and pat dry with a soft towel. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer. The holistic approach. Unlike Botox, which only addresses the surface of the skin, ginger offers a holistic approach to beauty. It not only enhances your skin's appearance but also improves your overall health. From boosting your immune system to aiding digestion, ginger is a powerhouse of wellness. Real stories, real results. Countless individuals have turned to ginger for their skincare needs and have been astounded by the results. Stories of smoother, brighter, and more youthful skin abound. These real-life testimonials are a testament to the incredible power of ginger. The verdict. While Botox may offer a quick fix, the benefits of ginger are long-lasting and far-reaching. By choosing ginger, you're not just opting for a natural alternative. You're embracing a lifestyle that promotes health and beauty from the inside out. So, the next time you reach for that expensive anti-aging cream or consider a Botox injection, remember the humble ginger root. It might just be the secret weapon your beauty routine has been missing. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.